Summers are here, and if you are looking for stylish, breathable, and affordable midi dresses from Myntra, this haul is going to save your time and money. I picked dresses for brunch, vacations, daily wear, and even for date nights, and all under budget. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Vishali, and I create honest Myntra hauls, makeup hacks, and budget fashion finds. And today I am doing a summer midi dress haul from Myntra, and everything is super affordable, very lightweight, very comfortable, and perfect for Delhi heat. Let's start with my most favorite pick. So this one is a black and multicolored floral embroidered shirt midi dress from the brand Zolo label. It is 100% breathable and perfect for Indian summers. Soft cotton fabric, A-line fit, and very comfortable for daily wear. I would wear this for movie, shopping, or casual lunch. It has this beautiful colorful embroidery on its sleeves, the neck, and the back. It has a shirt collar and a button closure all over the dress, and it comes with a belt. Pair this dress with white sneakers for a cute summer look. If you like comfortable daily wear dresses, this one is a must buy. The price for this one is 2149 and I bought it in size XL. Now let's move to the next dress. So the next one is this maroon floral printed shirt dress from the brand Dori Dori. This is my date night favorite because it is lightweight and still looks classy. It has flowy fabric, feminine fit, and it is perfect for evening outings. This dress comes with a shirt collar and button closure. And if we talk about the sleeves, they are long regular sleeves. The material of this dress is viscose crepe, which is very lightweight and comfortable on skin. Pair it with smart boots or nude heels, soft curls, and glossy makeup to create that evening outing look. The price for this one is 1570 and I bought it in size XL. Let's move to our next dress. So this one is an off-white floral embroidered empire dress from the brand Zamar. And honestly, this is giving very soft, very feminine, and very summer picnic vibe. First of all, the fabric is pure cotton, so it is breathable, lightweight, and perfect for Delhi heat, and it doesn't stick. And because it is off-white, it looks very clean and very fresh for summers. So what I love about this dress, first, it has this empire waist which sits just below the bust and it hides the tummy area. Second, the floral embroidery, which looks very premium, not like print. The flowing mid-length looks very modest and elegant, and it gives a very feminine look. This is a kind of dress that makes you look put together without trying too hard. You can style this dress in multiple ways. I have styled it with big pearl earrings, a boho bag, nude heels, and of course a scrunchie, which is very important in summer heat. So this dress is perfect for brunch, shopping, coffee dates, school meetings, and Instagram photos, and it gives a very Pinterest aesthetic vibe. Only one small thing, because it's off-white, you need to wear nude innerwears and steam it before wearing to give that crisp look. Otherwise, it is super comfortable. If you are buying only one midi for this summer, then go for this one because it looks expensive even when it is super affordable. The price for this one is 1828 and I bought it in size XL. Now let's move on to our next midi. So the next one is this organza green floral printed A-line dress from the brand Embray. And this one is giving a very classy, very elegant and very brunch ready vibes. At first impression, this dress looks much more expensive than its actual price. This outer layering is organza fabric which gives a very sheer, glossy and structured look. But don't worry, it comes with an inner so it is not transparent. Although it is very comfortable and easy to wear. The inner is soft and breathable so it doesn't feel heavy in summers. So what is special about this dress is it has a shirt collar which gives it very polished, very semi-formal look. Next, it has this puff sleeves which are very trendy and feminine. It has an A-line fit which is very flattering for all body types. And it has this floral print which is very fresh and perfect for daytime. Because of the collar, this dress looks more structured and smart as compared to regular summer dresses. You can pair it with white shoes or nude heels, sling bag and soft curls for that perfect brunch look. You can even wear it to small day events, photo shoots, birthdays or vacation. This is one of those dresses which makes you look instantly well dressed. Few things to keep in mind is that the fabric is organza and it is slightly structured, so it doesn't feel as soft as cotton. And secondly, it is not ideal for very humid outdoor days, but visually it looks very premium. So if you want a dress that looks polished, structured and different from basic cotton midis, then this organza A-line midi is a perfect pick. This one costed me 2499 and I bought it in size XL. You can also size up in this one. So the next dress is this brown tropical print wrap style midi dress from the brand Enthia. And this is giving very elegant, slightly dressy and very flattering vibes. And this is perfect if you want something that shapes your body without being body hugging. The fabric is chiffon, so it is very comfortable, very lightweight, very airy when you walk, and chiffon always gives that slightly dressy elevated look as compared to cotton. What I like about this dress is this wrap style neckline, which is very flattering for the bust area. Second is this gathered and pleated waist, which hides the tummy and gives shape. Third is this flared hem, which creates beautiful movement while walking. And lastly, the long regular sleeves if you don't want to wear sleeveless in summers. And the tropical print on the brown base looks very sophisticated and not too loud. You can style this one with pearl earrings, nude heels and a watch. This dress easily transitions from day to evening. It is perfect for vacations, brunch, office, small gatherings and even for travel because it's modest and stylish at the same time. Just one thing to keep in mind is chiffon is very delicate, so handle carefully. But visually it looks very polished and slimming. So if you want a dress that defines your waist, hides your tummy, looks classy and works for multiple occasions, then this wrap style chiffon midi dress is a must have in your wardrobe. I bought it for 1451 rupees and it is in size XL. So last but not the least is this blue cotton empire dress with floral embroidery from the brand Zamar. And this one is giving very elegant and very summer friendly vibes. The color combination itself looks very premium and soothing for summers. The fabric is pure cotton, so it is very lightweight, breathable, sweat friendly and perfect for Indian summers. This is one of those dresses which you can wear for long hours without feeling uncomfortable. This dress is special because it has empire waist which sits just below the bust area and hides the tummy area. It has this V-neck which elongates the neck and looks very flattering. Short, cuffed sleeves with this embroidery which gives a very structured and neat look. It has this floral embroidery which looks very rich unlike the print. It has this gathered or pleated flare which gives a very flowy silhouette. This dress gives shape without being tight. You can style it with white shoes, tote bag, open hair and add hoops for that casual summer day look. This dress is perfect for coffee dates, office, vacations, shopping and even for casual photo shoots. It's modest, comfortable and polished at the same time. Only one thing, because it's cotton, it might need light ironing before wearing, otherwise it is super comfortable. So if you want something comfortable like a kurti, stylish like a dress and office appropriate, then this cotton embroidered empire midi dress is a perfect pick for you. So the price for this one is 1849 and it is also in size XL. So the only tip to buy from Myntra is always try to grab the pieces during sale to get the best prices. All the links are in the description box below with all the size and product details. Do let me know in the comment section which dress was your favorite and also tell me which haul do you want me to do next. So if you enjoyed my video, like, comment and save for shopping later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Myntra hauls and summer outfit ideas. I post affordable fashion hauls every week, so don't miss out. See you in the next video. Bye.